Yes, student, like distinguished test, the conversion is also very important because at least 2 marks questions are often asked from the conversion. So the student, very first you have to read the question carefully and you have to find out which compound we have to prepare from which given compound, or from which given compound we have to prepare which compound. Therefore you have to more concentrate in the question. Like here the first conversion is ethanoic acid to methanoic acid, methanamine. Getting? That is, using ethanoic acid we have to prepare methanamine. So what to do? In the conversion, very first you write the structure of compound ethanoic acid CH3COOH. This is the starting compound, and you write the last compound what? Methanamine. Means what? This is CH3NH2. Now here you have to think about the structure and the content given, that is the components given. Student, in the reactant there are 2 carbon, while in the product there is what? Only 1 carbon. Means what? This reaction can be, seems like it is step down reaction. That means the 2 carbon containing compound is to be converted into 1 carbon containing compound. And how to do this? So you have to check your knowledge, like how to prepare methanamine, okay, from the compound having 2 carbons. So you have one of the reaction. What reaction? This is Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction. What is this? When amide is treated with Br2 in the presence of alcoholic KOH, it forms CH3NH2. This is called Hofmann's bromamide degradation. Okay, so bromamide degradation, bromamide. Now bromamide, or you can say amide. So amide means what? It's a previous amide. What will be its previous amide? This is CH3CONH2. This is the previous amide. So you know that amide on this reaction gives amine of 1 carbon less. That is 2 carbon containing amide converts into 1 carbon. That means what? Actually now our aim is become how to convert acetic acid into ethanamide or acetamide. So student, you further know the acetamide, that is CH3COONH2, it is produced, or it can be produced, I am writing in this way, okay. See, it can be produced by releasing of water molecule from the compound what? CH3 C double bond O NH4. Okay, when it is heated strongly, it gives what? Acetamide. That means what? That means we have to convert acetic acid into this compound. So how to convert acetic acid into this compound? So it can be done by the reaction when acetic acid is react with SOCl2 compound, it forms CH3 C double bond O, and this is what? Cl. Getting? Now we get this compound. When this compound is reacted with excess of NH3, you can call it 2NH3, it forms CH3CO NH4 minus, it will become what? NH4Cl. So we can get this compound. This can be dehydrated, form amide, and amide on Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction for methanamine. That means again we have to check our overall knowledge of organic chemistry. That is, look at here, the ethanoic acid is converted into ethanamine. Again, ethanamine into methanamine means again our the main product is what? Methanamine. And how to form methanamine? So the same reaction, what? Huffman bromamide degradation reaction. What is this? In this reaction, Br2 and KOH is treated with what? Amide. Amide means CH3CONH2. Again, this is called step down reaction in which two carbon containing amide converts into one carbon containing amine. Getting? So now our aim is become ethanamine. Ethanamine means what? CH3 CH2 NH2. Now compare ethanamine with CH3COO NH2. So how to prepare CH3COO NH2? This become our principal aim. Get it? That is this one. So how to prepare? Again, it can be prepared by the same compound. What is the same compound? The same compound is CH3 C double bond O and what? NH4. Isn't it? Now, how to prepare this? From this, when heated, it releases what? Water molecule. This is the reaction, okay? Water molecule, this compound. So we get what? Amide. Now the question is how to convert ethanamine into ammonium acetate. So for this, again we have to check the knowledge from acetic acid. Previously we have checked it. So it can be converted by acetic acid, CH3COOH. Okay, and the reaction can be what? We can write SOCl2 followed by excess of what? NH3. But now the question is how to convert ethanamine into acetic acid. So it can be prepared by what? Acetic acid can be prepared by oxidation of alcohol. Oxidation of alcohol means CH3 CH2OH, and now oxidation require what? H2SO4 and K2Cr2O7. Now the question is how to convert ethanamine into alcohol. So the question is, the answer is ethanamine when react with HONO, that is nitrous acid. We have checked in the previous chapter when ethanamine reacts with nitrous acid at 0 degrees Celsius, it forms alcohol. Okay, alcohol on drastic oxidation forms carboxylic acid, and the carboxylic acid when reacts with SOCl2 and excess of NH3, it forms ammonium acetate, and ammonium acetate on dehydration forms acetamide. This you can write what? Acetamide. And acetamide on Huffman bromamide degradation reaction forms methylamine. Okay, so this is called what? Step down reaction. But now the next reaction is methanamine. Methanamine means CH3NH2 is to be converted into ethanamine. Now ethanamine means CH3 CH2NH2. So it is the starting material and it is the final product. In starting material, carbon atom number is 1, but in final product, carbon atom number is 2. So we can consider it like step of reaction. Okay. Now, how to obtain more carbon containing compound from lesser carbon containing compound? So student, what we have to do? We have to select such a reagent which can produce or which consists one carbon. Getting? So now the reaction will take place with lower carbon atom compound and the reagent with one more carbon, so that the more carbon containing compound will produce. Now which are these reagents? So this reagent may be Grignard reagent because it consists carbon atom, or it may be what? Cyanide compounds, because cyanide compounds containing C, that is one carbon. Are you getting? So now we have idea about this. So how to proceed for the reaction? So we can proceed for the reaction as you can convert by CH3CN. Getting? CH3CN. That is the starting material for this one will be CH3 C triple bond N. But now one carbon is to be converted into two carbon. So how can it is possible? It is possible when the compound is react with KCN. Look at here, cyanide containing compound. Getting? So what is the reaction? The reaction may be when CH3I is treated with KCN. Okay, it forms CH3I plus KCN. It forms CH3CN plus what? Ki. Now the question is how to convert CH3I. That is CH3NH2 is to be converted into CH3I. So you know that when alcohol, okay, here, okay, alcohol, methanol, this is what alcohol is treated with iodide, okay, in the presence of red phosphorus, it converts into CH3I. That means what? Again, now the question is how to convert methanamine into alcohol. So you know that it is by nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is produced by the reaction of NaNO2 and HCl, dilute HCl at 0 degree Celsius. Isn't it? Means the final reaction will be methanamine is to be converted into methanol. Methanol is to be converted into methyl iodide, and the methyl iodide when react with KCN, it forms CH3Cl. Student, we have seen this reaction when alkyl